Sunlight taps the window pane. Coffee steam curls slow again. Page turns soft, no rush, no gain. Quiet wraps the morning's lane. Slow down, let the moments breathe. Soft as the breeze that brushes me. No need to chase, no need to seize. This quiet joy is all I need. Worn out shoes by the door's edge. Bookmark stuck where the story led. Wind hums low through the window ledge. Daylight spills soft and spread. Slow down, let the moments breathe. Soft as the breeze that brushes me. No need to chase, no need to seize. This quiet joy is all I need. Soft as the breeze that brushes me. No need to chase, no need to seize. This quiet joy is all I need. Slow down, let the moments breathe. This quiet joy is all